Hey kids, welcome to India's most loved bio channel called the 𝐕𝐞𝐵ioTonic. And today I, Dr. Vani, on behalf of Vedantu, bring you 5 insane life hacks to improve your self-discipline. In under 5 minutes, I will tell you those super cool 5 tricks जो आपके discipline को इस level से यहाँ तक ले जाएंगी जो ना आपको NEET 2020 में seat दिलाएगा, but it is insanely useful for everything that you choose to do in your life. So hack number 1, daily rewards. What does daily rewards mean now, my dear kids? By daily rewards, I mean this also can mean daily rewrite. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, we feel sluggish, we feel bored, we just sleep, we don't feel like doing anything. Enthusiasm is rock bottom low. At those times, make a list of all those things which mean and matter to you. Every single day when you get up in the morning, think of all that motivates you, pushes you, pulls you up. ये वो rewrites हैं जो आप दिन पर दिन सपने में देख रहे हो, यो वो चीजें हैं जो आपको एक्चुअली सपने में भी दिखाई नहीं देती, but they just don't let you sleep. These are those things which push you towards doing your best. So whenever you feel sluggish, whenever you need motivation, write down these things on a piece of paper, and this is my promise to you, they will push you towards success. Number 2 is the mother of all evils. Number 2 is technology. When you're studying, your calculator should go out because you will probably not get this calculator in exam. It makes your brain go slow. When you're studying, your phone needs to go out. So all of these things, technology, Instagram, Facebook, all of these things pull you down. They make the clock go tick, 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 and within seconds, hours have passed. So second insane life hack is technology needs to just go out. You need to be with your books and study. Will improve your self-discipline, will improve your rank, will help you get that push in life. Number 3, know your body. I cannot sleep in the morning. I get up early, but I cannot do late night studies. I know if I'm sitting and studying on a bed, तो पढ़ाई नहीं होगी. I know if I'm sitting on a couch, slowly you'll be sluggish and you won't be able to study. So all of this, your bed, your couch, yes, some of you could study late in the night, but some of you are early morning risers. So all of this, you should know your body and you should make your body work according to you. Number 4, and very, very, very important, is your glucose levels. So many times you're studying throughout the day and your energy levels are tick, 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 falling down. Because ना तो आपने breakfast किया, ना lunch किया, और dinner time तक आपने कुछ खाया ही नहीं, and you feel so tired. So make sure that your energy levels are continuously increasing. You are taking short breaks. You're eating well, because glucose level optimization will improve your self-discipline. And number 5 of the insane 5-minute hack is advanced decision. Don't leave anything to the last minute. Last minute आप physics भी कर लोगे, chemistry भी कर लोगे, bio भी करोगे, ultimately कुछ नहीं होगा. Last minute you can have some important work, कुछ बैंक का काम important आ गया, some other important thing could come up, कुछ form भरने की जरूरत आ गई. So advanced decision making is very, very important. Stay in control, take decisions advanced, do your practice well in advance, and I'm sure with these insane 5 hacks, you will do very well. I'm Dr. Vani on behalf of 𝐕𝐞𝐵ioTonic. I take your leave. See you in the next class. Bye.